Whoa. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another installment of the Pug Thoughts in the Doghouse. I'm Pug, and here's what I'm doing. I've got another game to go to. This time we are in Yakima, Washington, which is roughly a half hour north of Ellensburg, Washington. So, in order to get here, what you do, start in Seattle, go 2 hours east, and then drive about a half hour south from Ellensburg. And I'm currently at the fairgrounds, quote unquote. This is the parking lot of the fairgrounds. The game I'm going to is over here at the Yakima Sun Dome. It's not really a good angle about that, but it's kind of a miniature version of Seattle's old Kingdome. And I'm going to be going to the Yakima Valley Warriors game. Oh, can't really see it. It's too bad. It's a little out of focus. But anyway, it's the Yakima Valley Warriors against the San Jose Wolves. And this is an arena football team. Now, you might be asking, well, why am I going to an arena football game? You know, I went to my first one a month ago and really was kind of, this is arena football? You know, it's all the commercials. The game was great, but all the promos and all the commercials were kind of in your face all the time. But the reason why is because I know some players on the team, on the Yakima team, from my alma mater, Central Washington University. Got Jerome Williams, who I interviewed on a radio show in Ellensburg. Why don't I go ahead and show you guys that? Check that out. Here's a clip of that interview. So, Jerome, let's start off talk about it overall this season. What has the season been like for you on the personal level?
Personal level, it's been up and up. You know what I'm saying? It's been nothing but good. You know, as far as the team goes, but you know, you always have your personal goals. You know what I'm saying? And I reached most of them, but not all of them yet. You know, as far as my personal goals. But yeah.
So, and then the other one is Prince Hall. Both of these players were were on the defensive side of the football. Jerome played cornerback at Central. Prince Hall was a linebacker. He actually transferred from the Alabama Crimson Tide. So we're going to watch them play. It's not every day you get to see Central players from CWU play in after school. It's very rare when a player plays from Central goes to the NFL. The only one that's currently playing or has a job right now as a backup is John Kitna. He's on the bench for the Cowboys. And here's my question to Be More Ravens online. Did Courtney Smith get cut? Because last time I checked, he wasn't on the roster. He's a former Central quarterback. Central cornerback. And then we had our quarterback, Mike Riley, got signed by the Pittsburgh Steelers. He got cut, then was signed with the St. Louis Rams. And then he signed with the Seahawks for 2 weeks, and then they cut him, which was unfortunate. So I'll try to get some snippets of the game like I usually do. And let's go Warriors and go Wildcats. Oh, by the way, one more thing. I don't know if you can see it, but the Sun Dome is right across. That is the Yakima Bears Stadium. We might go there later on this summer. The Yakima Bears are a single-A affiliate for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Tonight, if I wasn't going to get a ticket to this game, I would have seen them take on the Vancouver Canadians, which is the Oakland A's. The Oakland A's single-A team. So thanks for watching another installment of the Pug Thoughts in the Doghouse, and enjoy the Yakima Warriors against the San Jose Wolves. Oh my God! You want memories of the Seattle's Kingdome? This looks exactly like it. Look at that. Look at the roof. It's got the same style. I checked out the turf. That's pretty bad too. That was very bad in the Kingdome. Wow. It's got the cement. Oh my goodness. This is bringing back a lot of memories. Alright. If you ever wanted to go to the Kingdome or the Tacoma Dome, you don't need to. This is funny. This is funny.
Please welcome your Yakima Valley Warriors!
Oh, that was amazing.
Intended for number 1, Gabe Hatchet.
Oh my God.
Pass incomplete. Intended for number 1, Gabe Hatchet.
Quarterback is awful. Oh, is that the... Oh, it is. Oh, no! And then it goes on.